Hey hookers, it's the Naughty Hooker here again for another quick intro to crochet video on the half double crochet. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. You're going to start with your slip knot, wrap around your finger twice, pull the first one over, and then you're going to pull that one off the first one off your finger. Put your hook in there, pull tight. And we're just going to chain 10 so that we've got something to work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you've got your 10 crochet here, 10 chains, and we are going to chain 2 for our turn. 1, 2. So now you're going to yarn over, and you've got to insert the hook at the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. Third chain, insert, yarn over, pull through. Now you've got 3 chains on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's your first half double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 chains on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and keep going till the end. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. I'll do it again real slow. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, we've come to the end of the row again, and you can see here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 half double crochet. Now to turn, you will chain 2, 1, 2, and turn your work. So you're going to flip it around. Grab your tail back here, yarn over, and again you're going to insert into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, that's your first half double crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. And you'll do that all the way across. And in slow-mo again, yarn over, insert under both hoops, yarn over, pull through, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And keep going till the end. Okay, there you have it. Very quick, simple half double crochet.